Name something that is sexier when it's in black.
People. Yeah. I'm too sexy for this.
Hey y'all, this is Deanna, creator of Young, Black, and Frugal, and today I'm going to be doing a flat twist hairstyle, and I'm doing it from a new location today. I'm in my bathroom, so it's a little bit of an echo. Hopefully the audio turns out great, but it's a really great, fun style, and it's a safe space here for us non-braiders, and that's what this style is, a perfect style if you want that braided look without having to actually know how to cornrow. So stay tuned. First, we're gonna start off by separating our hair. If I'm looking down, that's because I have my phone here so I can look. I already did one side, and so we don't have to be like perfect with this because your hair is gonna cover it, but you wanna try to make it as even as possible. But yeah, so just do this. It should look like this at the top. Oops, see, it's not even. We're gonna take a little bit more. Yep, so you should want it to be as close to all the way around at the top, and then you're gonna take the rest and you're going to either clip it or you're going to put it in a ponytail, and then we'll get started on the parting. Okay, y'all, so this is gonna be really simple, or at least I hope it is. This is the way I cheat the system. But first, you're just gonna take a comb. I can't find my rat tails, so we're gonna use this. And then you're just gonna part them. I'm making them kind of small. I think I'm gonna do, I've seen some people do like a few small, a few big. But I'm just doing a smaller piece because I know it'll be easier to show you all. But, so this is my part. And then you're gonna take some water. I'm still using my rose water. It's, I wouldn't necessarily say I've seen much of a difference with frizz, but when I tell you all, like, I don't know where the dandruff has gone. I have really, really bad dandruff, and I don't know what's happened to it, and I'm not gonna question it, but I think this is something I'm gonna have to incorporate into my routine. So you just wanna take it, don't make it like soaking wet, just make it damp. Take a little product, so I'm doing this right here. Yeah, so you just want a little bit, because again, we don't want to make the hair soaking wet. It makes it more difficult to work with. And brush that through. And honestly, I'm just going to take a little bit of this pomade right here because it gives your hair a little stiffness, and my hair is a tad bit on the finer side, especially around my edges. So I'm just going to put just a little bit on there to stiffen it up. And then this is the moment of truth. You just literally take a piece of the hair from the front, split it in half, twist it. I usually do twice, and then grab a little more hair and do the same thing. Just grab a little piece, separate it from the rest, split it in half, and put it with the other pieces. Okay, so see these pieces? So line them up. So put the farthest right piece and the left piece together, make it tight, and then that's literally all you have to do. And so we'll do a little bit, and then split it in half, make them line up, do that. Sometimes I'll wrap it around twice before I do the next one, because so that can be as flat to my head as possible. You see, you tighten it up, and then so since I'm purposely doing this like front half situation because it's too difficult to show you all the back. But yeah, you just do that. Make sure that it's still untangled. And then you just do it around like that. Now, you see, it's not hard. This is what I do for my wigs as well when I want them to be flat because I can't braid. So, yeah. That's what I hope you all were able to see it. That's why I'm trying to use my camera a little more so it can be better quality, especially when doing stuff like this. So, yeah. But, okay. Now I'll come up close so you all can kind of see it. So, yeah. It's not, you know, perfect, but if you want to have a little flat style, do something different, and you can't braid, this is perfect. So I'm going to, again, you know how I like to show you all twice, 2 to 3 times, so I'm just going to show you all one more time how to do another piece. I think I'm going to do it a little bigger this time, so you all can maybe, some people may do better with a smaller piece, some people may do better with a bigger piece. So I'm going to do small, big also. It's going to make this done quicker for me. And then I'll show you all, I'm just going to do some chunky twists in the back. And I'll show you all one of those. And then we'll be done. Yeah. I decided to just go ahead and do another one. So I'll show you how to do this one. Maybe this will be easier since it's more from the front than the side. But I just wanted to give you all a pro tip, something that I've realized, and maybe I would have realized if I was a braider. But your hand placement will determine how the twists look. So I'm going to have to, because these are at the top, I'm going to have to do the twist going this way or it'll lean to the side. So I will show you all that. So it's wet, put a little product. And then we'll comb it out. Okay. And use a little of this. Honestly, I would say use whichever pomade or gel works best for you. I like this one because it's not so heavy, but I feel like it also makes my hair stick together so it tangles, and I know that's what it's supposed to do, but I hope that there's a better product out there. But when I use jam, it's even worse than when I use this. So if you all have suggestions, let me know. But until I find something, I'm gonna stick with this. So we're gonna take our front piece, and that's what I'm separating so you can see better, and then you're going to separate it into 2, and then you're going to twist it. And see how I'm doing it this way? This is so that it stays in the front. So I'm gonna do 2, and then I'm gonna grab another little piece of hair, and then you are going to separate it and have it perfectly, you know, match up with that hair, and then you will twist it and try to make it as close to the scalp as possible, because the closer you make it to the scalp, the flatter it'll be. So now we're going to take, oh no, see I messed up. See, you see that? I messed up. So let's take that loose. You got to make sure you're grabbing the hair. It's a little hard for me because I am, you know, filming this on camera. So I'm going to look down so I can see it better, and instead of to the side. So then hopefully you all will be able to see it. One second. Y'all struggling, but it's worth it, trust me. So I'm gonna do a little water. My hair dries quickly. So you're going to take a piece and you are going to separate it in half. 1, 2. So do it twice, and then I'm going to grab a little more hair and separate it from that. Make sure I've gotten it all this time. And, yep, you gotta make sure you're not grabbing any extra pieces. It mess up your flow. And then you can grab the rest. Now I will say, once you start doing these top pieces, your arms, they will get tired. But you only have to do it for these at the top. And then you can go back to the sides. So what you'll see me fumbling around with is my hair in the back that's pulled back. I'm trying to make sure I'm not pulling that in there. So once you got that, now you can bring it to the side. You can see, yeah. So that's all you gotta do. So that's what I said though, but these couple pieces, they're gonna give you an arm workout. But it'll be cute. So yeah, that's all you do. My hair got dry on the ends, so I'm just going to spray it a little bit, and we'll keep twisting. And then once I come back, I'll just show you how I'm going to do the chunky twist in the back, and then yeah, we'll be done. Hey everyone, so I finished the top, as you can see, and I've done the back as well. So this is just the last piece. For the style I want more bigger, chunkier twist out, so I'm taking sections this big, and we're just doing the basics. Don't completely saturate your hair unless you want your shrinkage to be in full force. So just enough that you can comb through it easily. Okay, so this is the look. Obviously, you know, you can wear them all to the side. I plan to do a little like half and half situation, and keep these front pieces, and then let this part hang out. But you could also, you know, put them up in a ponytail if you wanted to. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to keep these twisted up or put rubber bands on the ends and then take, you know, part of, you know, this part loose. But yeah, you can do half up, half down situation. Or you can leave them twisted and let them flow. So it'll be really cute. I will show you all the style once it's, you know, dry and complete when I take it out. But I'll probably keep this in per usual for a couple of days, because we work smarter, not harder over here. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. This is the way that I do my flat twist, so I can have my wigs laid down. I just wanted something different this time. I didn't want to put on a wig, so I only did halfway. But if you would want to do this for wigs, you would just do it all the way back instead of just going halfway. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to stay black, blessed, and beautiful, and like, comment, and subscribe, and see you all next time. Bye.